Welcome to today's in-depth review of the Microsoft Surface Laptop 2025, a revolutionary Copilot Plus PC that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design and unparalleled ease of use. If you're considering upgrading to a more intelligent, more secure, and more seamless computing experience, then you're in the right place. Over the past decade, we've witnessed an explosive growth in the number of connected devices, apps, and data sources. As a result, many of us have been plagued by the tyranny of the interface, constantly switching between different applications, tabs, and windows to complete simple tasks. The Surface Laptop 2025 is specifically designed to combat this issue, offering an intelligent, intuitive, and highly personalized experience that streamlines workflows and boosts productivity. But what exactly does this mean in practice? Let's start with the fundamentals. From a design standpoint, the Surface Laptop 2025 is a stunningly beautiful device that exudes premium quality. The 13-inch touchscreen display, crafted from a durable and lightweight magnesium alloy, provides razor-sharp visuals and seamless touch responsiveness. At just 0.43 inches thin, this laptop is remarkably portable and easy to carry, making it perfect for life on the go. But it's what lies beneath the surface, or rather beneath the magnesium alloy, that truly sets the Surface Laptop 2025 apart. Powered by the latest Snapdragon X Plus processor, this laptop delivers lightning-fast performance, effortlessly handling even the most demanding tasks and applications. The AI engine, a key component of the Copilot Plus experience, optimizes system resources, prioritizes tasks, and provides intelligent suggestions to help you work more efficiently. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make the Surface Laptop 2025 such a powerhouse. The first thing that stood out to us was the stunning 13-inch touchscreen display. With a resolution of 3000 by 2000 pixels, this display offers unparalleled clarity and color accuracy, making it perfect for content creation, video editing, and everything in between. But it's not just the hardware that impresses. The software is equally impressive. Windows 11 Copilot Plus is a game-changer, providing an intuitive and highly personalized experience that learns your preferences and adapts to your needs. From intelligent suggestions and task prioritization to seamless multitasking and effortless data synchronization, this operating system has been designed to simplify your workflow and maximize your productivity. One of the most significant benefits of the Surface Laptop 2025 is its ability to seamlessly integrate with Microsoft's vast ecosystem of productivity tools. With OneDrive integration, you can access all your files, documents, and data from anywhere on any device. And with Microsoft Teams and Outlook tightly integrated, staying connected with colleagues, clients, and friends has never been easier. But what about real-world performance? We took the Surface Laptop 2025 on the road, pushing it to its limits with demanding tasks and applications. The results were nothing short of astonishing. Whether it was video editing, 3D modeling, or even light gaming, this laptop handled everything with ease, delivering silky smooth performance and minimal lag. However, as with any product, there are some trade-offs to consider. The Surface Laptop 2025 is a premium device, and the price reflects that. At $2,499, this laptop is an investment, but for those who require the absolute best in performance, security, and ease of use, it's well worth considering. In comparison to other laptops on the market, the Surface Laptop 2025 stands out for its exceptional balance of power, portability, and user experience. While other devices may excel in one or two areas, the Surface Laptop 2025 consistently delivers across the board. Now, if you're considering upgrading to a more intelligent, more secure, and more seamless computing experience, we can confidently recommend the Microsoft Surface Laptop 2025. With its stunning design, cutting-edge performance, and unparalleled ease of use, this laptop is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. In conclusion, the Microsoft Surface Laptop 2025 is a game-changing device that has raised the bar for what we can expect from a laptop. By combining premium design with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled user experience, This laptop has set a new standard for productivity, creativity, and enjoyment. If you're ready to elevate your computing experience to the next level, look no further than the Surface Laptop 2025.